How's it going, everyone? Mike Power here. We're back in the Type S Auto Garage today for another how-to, and we're going to be showing you how to change the high beam on a 2016 Toyota Corolla. Our 9005 9006 has two mounting rings that come out of the box, and we're just going to make sure that we have the 9005 ones installed. And we're going to go ahead and show you how to switch them if you need to do it yourself. Now that we have our bulbs and our mounting rings out of the box, we're going to go ahead and make sure we have the proper mounting ring for our application. So this bulb here has a 9006 installed, and we have our 9005 mounting ring right here. So the first thing we're going to do to get this on is take off our blue O-ring around the bulb itself, and that will expose our small Phillips head set screw. And we're going to go ahead and take our small Phillips head screwdriver and loosen our set screw. And once we get that loosened and taken out of the bulb, we can go ahead and slide off the mounting ring. And then we bring over our 9005 mounting ring, make sure we take off our blue O-ring. Then we're going to slide it off and line up the hole for our set screw. And go ahead and just screw it back together. Then once we get the set screw tight, we're going to go ahead and take our blue O-ring, bring it back on, slide over our mounting ring. So first, we're over here on the driver's side headlight, and we'll be replacing the high beam bulb. The battery is a little bit in the way, but don't worry, there's enough room for your hand. First thing we're going to do is unplug the old factory bulb. You're going to push down the tab right here. And once you have the tab pushed down on the bottom, you're going to go ahead and use your thumb to slide the clip off. And once we do that, we're going to take our hand and spin the bulb counterclockwise until you feel unlock, and then it should come right out. Now we're going to come in with our 9005 LED bulb replacement. It is a little bit bigger, so it's a little bit tricky. You might need two hands. Then once we have the mounting plate lined up, we're going to go ahead and spin it clockwise till it's in the locked position and it's not going anywhere. If you have your lights plugged in and they're not turning on, go ahead and unplug this and spin it 180 degrees and plug it back in. So now we're on the passenger side. We got the more difficult one out of the way since the battery was there. This side, we just go ahead, unplug our light bulb plug again, spin this counterclockwise, pop it out. Then we're going to take our 9005 bulb replacement, and once we get the mounting ring lined up, we're going to go ahead and push and spin clockwise until it's in the lock position. And we'll go ahead and take our plug and plug it right in. And that's it for the 9005 high beam bulb replacements. And that's a wrap on this 2016 Toyota Corolla. We hope this video helped you get the job done on your own, and we'll see you on the next one.